Today I am going to discuss about the relation between the electric field intensity due to axial line and equatorial line. Okay, or to know the formula of electric field intensity due to axial line. The axial line is equal to how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. And electric field intensity due to equatorial line is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p by r cube. Now what is the ratio? E axial by E equatorial is equal to, from this ratio 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught to p by r cube gets cancelled or not. So finally the ratio of axial and equatorial line field intensities is 2:1. Okay. Now I want to find the electric field intensity due to a dipole at a particular point. Whose coordinates are represented like this: r comma theta. They are named as polar coordinates. Okay. Now, so let us consider an electric dipole. That electric dipole is represented by plus q and minus q, which are separated by a distance 2a. Now, this is a point P, which is at a distance r from center of an electric dipole. What happens? In axial line, we took along a straight line. In equatorial line, we took along perpendicular to this line. If you have a doubt why you are taking along this line or this line, instead of that, I am taking a particular point P, which is not along the axis, not along perpendicular to the dipole. So that let us consider the point P, which is at a distance r from center of an electric dipole, and it is making an angle theta. So now dipole moment is a vector quantity or not. So this dipole moment, direction of dipole moment is from minus q to plus q or not. Then along this dipole moment, how much from vector p cos theta. Now what is the electric dipole moment along this line? P sin theta. Now I want to find the direction of electric dipole moment here. So in yesterday topic I informed what is the angle between what is the angle between electric field intensity and electric dipole moment. The angle between electric field intensity and dipole moment along the axial line is 0 degrees. That means they are in the same direction. But in the case of equatorial line, the dipole moment direction is from minus q to plus q, but the field intensity direction is from plus q to minus q. That means the angle between E and P is 180 degrees in equatorial line. So that now come to this point. Okay. Now along this line, angle between electric field intensity due to axial line and dipole moment is 0 means now extend this line. So you will get this is represented as an axial line. Okay. Now this is the this is the dipole moment which is perpendicular, so you can draw perpendicular to the dipole. Then this is called what? Equatorial line. From this you can observe like this. What is the angle between these two vectors? 180 degrees or not? Okay. Now the resultant of these two is making an angle. Okay. Now this is the resultant of these two. So that axial vector field is represented like this: 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Instead of P, how much is present along the axial line? P cos theta is present. P cos theta. 2p cos theta or not? 2p by r cube. 2p by r cube. Now, instead of equatorial line, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Instead of P, how much present? P sin theta is present. Now, this is making an angle alpha here. Alpha here. Okay. Now, how they are observed to be in the diagram, perpendicular or not? So, the resultant electric field intensity at a point is the product from parallelogram law, E axial square plus E equatorial square. Then you can write like this: 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r cube is common, root 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r cube put off 4 cos square theta like this: 3 cos square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now what is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? That is 1. Okay. Now P by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube to root 1 plus 3 cos square theta. This is the general expression for electric field intensity due to an electric dipole at any point. At any point. Have you to check if you want to check it. If you want to check it, what is the axial line angle? Theta is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 1 means 1 plus 3 how much? 4. So you will get EP is equal to how much? This is the axial line, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. If theta is 180 degrees, that is possible. Theta is 90 degrees. As 90 is 0 or not. So the EP becomes E equatorial line 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p by r cube. Okay. Now how much angle made by this resultant? This is called what? Theta plus alpha. Theta plus total angle made by the electric dipole is theta plus alpha. What is the ratio of electric field intensity due to axial and equatorial line? See this. What is this? 2p cos theta. Here 2p sin theta. Now the ratio of equatorial line, tan alpha means E equatorial line by E axial line or not? E axial line. E equatorial, how much you got? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p sin theta by r cube. And E axial you got 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p cos theta by r cube. This 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p by r cube gets cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is how much? Tan theta by 2. So you will get tan alpha is equal to half tan theta. That alpha is equal to how much? Tan inverse of half tan theta. So the total angle made is theta plus alpha. That theta plus, instead of alpha you can write half tan theta. If theta is given pi by 3, pi by 6 like that, then you can write the theta value here. Okay, this is about the electric field intensity due to an electric dipole, okay, at a particular point. Please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET to explain more and inform to your relatives also who are studying